Okay, let's talk about a feature that's hiding in plain sight. Inside a program you probably use, I don't know, every single day. I'm talking about Microsoft Word. Seriously, get ready to rethink what your documents can actually do.
You know the drill, right? You're deep into writing a report. You've got this nice little table of numbers, and you just need a quick total. So what do? You sigh, you minimize Word, you open up the calculator app, or maybe even a whole new spreadsheet. It just completely breaks your focus. But what if you didn't have to?
Yep, that's right. Believe it or not, your Word doc can actually do math. Tucked away inside the Table Tools, there's a formula feature that can handle calculations right there inside your document. It's a tool most people have literally never even noticed, but it's been there this whole time.
Okay, so let's dive in and see where this thing is hiding. How do you actually get to it? The good news is it's incredibly easy once you know where to look.
It's just 3 simple steps. First, just click into the empty cell in your table, where you want the answer to go. The second you do that, you'll see those Table Tools options pop up at the top of the screen. From there, you click on Layout, and then look way over on the far right, and there it is, the Formula button. Go ahead and click that.
So now that we've found it, what can this thing actually do? Let's take a look at the most common, most useful calculations you can start using right away.
Okay, so what's really cool is how smart Word tries to be about this. The most basic function, of course, is sum. When you open up that formula box, you'll often see that Word has already filled it in for you with something like equals sum above or equals sum left. It's basically guessing which numbers you want to add up. And honestly, most of the time, its guess is spot on. You just have to click OK.
But it's not just about adding things up. Not at all. You can also find the average of a column of numbers. You can count how many entries there are, find the max or min value, or even use product to multiply numbers together. It's a surprisingly powerful little toolkit for some quick and dirty data analysis. So this sounds great, right? A mini spreadsheet right inside your document. But there's a catch. And trust me, it is a very, very big catch. It's the reason this feature isn't more popular. And this is the key question, isn't it? If Word can do all this basic math, why on earth does everyone still jump over to Excel for their calculations? Well, the answer comes down to one crucial, absolutely game-changing feature that's missing. So here's the crucial point. This is the big one. You cannot grab that little corner of a cell and drag it down to automatically copy a formula all the way down a column. That one simple, beautiful time-saving feature that we all know and love in Excel, it's completely gone. It doesn't exist here. And that one little omission, it changes everything. It means that if you have a table with, say, 20 rows, and you need a total for each one, you have to manually insert that formula 20 different times. What takes literally 2 seconds in Excel can become an incredibly tedious, mind-numbing task in Word. So, knowing about this massive limitation, when should you actually use Word's formula tool? And when should you just stick with good old Excel? Let's break it down and give a final verdict. The difference is pretty clear, right? Here's the rule of thumb. Use Word's formula tool for that one quick total at the bottom of a small table in your report. It's absolutely perfect when you only need 1 or 2 simple calculations. But the very second you have a bigger data set or you need to apply the same formula over and over again, just stop. Go to Excel. So really, the most efficient way to work for any table that needs more than just a little bit of math is this. Do the heavy lifting in Excel. That's what it's built for. Get all your numbers right, do all your formulas, and then just copy the finished table and paste it directly into your Word document. You get the best of both worlds. So there you have it, a hidden tool that's actually perfect for small jobs, but has a critical, fatal flaw for big ones. Now that you know its power and its limits, you can make the smart choice. You can decide when to use this little hack and when to stick to the powerhouse and save yourself a whole lot of time and frustration.